Hello, Smarty here. How are you? I hope you are well. I'm going to attempt something I saw Molly and Artistry. I'll put a name up later. What I saw her do. So I don't know if this will come out anywhere near as good as hers, but we'll have a try, hey? Mine's going to be different, of course. Trying to find where it is. Move this around a wee bit. In here I've got some Floetrol and some of the DecoArt Enamel, and it's white. Well, it's not any other colour, is it? Because it's white on the screen. There we go. Just spread that out a bit. Wipe that off. I'm going to use some, what are they called? Neon colours. It's all these Dale and Rowney. I've got yellow, green, pink, orange and a custom made purple. I'm just gonna throw them on there, I think, and see what happens. Just go with it, eh? This is obviously different to what Molly did, but I just wanted to see. Oh, I was all thinking, this is not good, is it? Maybe I'll do some more yellow later. I don't have much of these colours left, it's just going to throw them on. Sometimes things work out better if you just throw them all on there. Come on. I haven't painted for a while, to be honest. So these have just been sitting here. Some purple in here. Oh. So what have you all been up to lately? Hope you've all been up to something good. I've got a new granddaughter, which is very beautiful too. I got this off Temu, no idea what it's like. I'm just gonna put a bit on. Oh, let's just get some tissue. There we go. Oh, I like that. Right. Put the lid on. Always helps, doesn't it? Hey. Right. Let's just do a little swipe. I've got nothing on here. Let's just see what happens. Nice and gently. Oh. I've got this like paddling pooly thing as well to hopefully catch the drips. So we'll see what happens there, hey? Oh, got some little beauties coming up there. I'm learning all this, you know, this is all new to me. I can always put more colour on over the top. So I seem to... Oh, I like the way I did that. That was a bit cool. Oh, anyway, yeah, I was saying about this. For the ones they wanted for like doing paint pouring, they wanted like 16 quid, and I was like, nah. So this is one that you put your feet in before you get into a pool, and it was like a third of the price, so I'm going with that. I want some more orange in here, I think. So why I pay out more when you don't need to? What else should we put in there? Feels like it needs something. Not sure what, but something. Maybe I'll wait till afterwards. So, let's move this all over. So it's all over to the sides. Trying to swing this around a little slower so you don't get dizzy. Sorry. I'll have to put a bit more on, I think. Good job I didn't use it all. Okay. I'm going to do a bit of a black hair swipe, I think. Oh, sugar. Why did I do that? It's probably going to spin off anyway, so I'm not going to worry too much about it. Alrighty then. Oh, whoops, a doodle. Didn't like my thing very well there, did I? Oops, I'll go off the edge, not going to worry. Not going to worry. A bit of green. Then we'll start spinning, because I'm getting too much paint on here. Oh. Alrighty then. Give this a whirl, shall we? Thumperdoodle. Covered in it. Nothing new though, hey? Okay, move this. Alrighty then. I quite like it as it is, to be fair. It's different, definitely different. Right, have a bit of a tidy. So here we go, we'll have a little look, eh? The only paint that had some sparkling was that berry, the purpley one. I don't think we're going to get much coming up though. I'm liking this here, that's pretty cool. So, we'll see how it dries, hey? See you later.